Hello students, how are you? Students, today we are going to discuss mechanism of photosynthesis. In the previous videos, we have already covered the requirement, right? Different experiment, landmarks, and the structure of the chloroplast. Now, as far as the mechanism of photosynthesis is concerned, there are two important reactions takes place. One is called light reaction, and second is called dark reaction. Light reaction and dark reaction. Right? The basic difference between these two, the light reaction dependent on light, while the dark reaction independent of light. Right? Means the light reaction takes place only in the presence of light, while the dark reaction is independent of the light. Whether it is present or absent, the dark reaction will continue. Okay, so first we focus on the light reaction, then switch over to the dark reaction. As far as the light reaction is concerned, there are 4 steps in the light reaction. Number 1 is photolysis of water. Right? Photolysis, that is breakdown of water. Photo means light. Photon means light. Lysis means breakdown. Right? Breakdown of water in the presence of light. Now this reactions takes place in Grena. We have already covered in the structure of the chloroplast. Right? So if you take the water molecules, now in the presence of the photon, these water molecules break down into hydrogen ions plus hydroxyl ions. Okay? This reaction is called photolysis of water. Right? Breakdown of water in the presence of light in the form of energy packet, that is called photon. Okay? Now the second is production of molecular oxygen. Production of molecular oxygen. How this molecular oxygen produce? देखिए ये जो हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन है OH minus. Now this OH minus will produce 2H2O plus 4 electron plus molecular oxygen. Here we require MnCl. These are the cofactors, right? Cofactors, any inorganic or organic element which can increase the processing of the enzymes. These are the called cofactors. तो जो hydroxyl ions हैं, they will produce the molecular oxygen, right? So first step is photolysis of water, that is breakdown of the water in the presence of sunlight, that is photons. ये breakdown करेगा hydrogen ions plus hydroxyl ions. Now the second step is the production of molecular oxygen. Here the hydroxyl ions will produce the molecular oxygen. Now the next is third step की बात करें. In the third step, production of reducing agent. Production of reducing agent. Here the reducing agent is NADP. NADP, nicotinamide, and for nicotinamide, adenosine dinucleotide phosphate. ठीक है, nicotinamide dinucleotide phosphate, that is the reducing agent. Now this NADP react with H positive, that will produce, here we use for electron, 2NADPH2. This is the reducing power. Now this reducing power used in dark reaction, ध्यान रखना है, right? Because it is the carrier of the proton. ठीक है? So NADP is the reducing power generated during the light reaction but used in the dark reaction. This is the production of reducing agent. Now the fourth step is a very important step, energy producing step है, right? Production of ATP, या टेक्निकली हम कह सकते हैं photophosphorylation, right? Photophosphorylation. Here ADP react with inorganic phosphate to form ATP, right? Now these ATP, whatever the amount of ATP is generated into the light reaction, these ATP used in dark reaction, right? So ATP as well as NADPH2, right? These two components required for the dark reactions, right? तो NADPH2 जो है वो प्रोटॉन कैरियर है, ATP जो है वो आपका एनर्जी करेंसी है. Now this energy currency helpful in the reducing of CO2. डार्क रिएक्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ थोड़ी सी. In the reducing of carbon dioxide into C6H12O6, right? I think these four reactions is clear to you. बहुत simple reactions हैं, right? Light reaction, light dependent reaction है, takes place only in the presence of light. अगर darkness होगी तो light reaction नहीं होगी, जबकि dark reaction जो है लाइट इंडिपेंडेंट रिएक्शन है, लाइट हो ना हो उस पर कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा, राइट? लाइट रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस इन द ग्रेना बिकॉज इट हैज द thylakoid having the chlorophyll molecule, right? This is the photon capturing, light capturing molecule है जिसकी वजह से एनर्जी कैप्चर होगी, ठीक है? एंड इट ब्रिंग अबाउट 4 different steps. Number 1 is photolysis of water. water will split down into the hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions, right? Then second is production of molecular oxygen. These hydroxyl ions will produce the molecular oxygen as well as water molecules, right? Third is the production of reducing agent. Reducing agent is NADP, nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide, nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide phosphate. This is the proton carrier basically, right? So this NADP H2 is used in the dark reaction. And the last step is production of ATP or photophosphorylation, that is production of energy. The energy is not only produced during the respiration but also produced in the photosynthetic activity. Now these ATP molecules used in the dark reaction for the fixation of the carbon into the glucose. Okay, I hope कि लाइट रिएक्शन आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया हो.